Continue. Similarly, the student should not say "I understood" when he did not understand. So that's why the teacher should not be very pushy. Right? So as I always say, I mean, we're not in competition of finishing books. So sometimes we go slowly. I mean, so and I always ask if you have any questions. So if you have any questions, ask the questions, because a person, as I said, it's a halachah. You should not say "I understood" when you don't understand. That's very bad. So commentary. Derech Zuta, chapter 2 states, if you desire to study, do not say I comprehended when you are not. Okay, so you're not. So we can repeat it second time, third time, maybe change the approach. There are many ways to explain the same subject. Okay. Continue. Rather, he should ask again and again, even if it requires several repetition. Okay, 34. The teacher's patient devotion, to his students must be reflected by them. They must dedicate themselves to understanding their teacher's words and steadfast apply themselves to study until they comprehend. So it's very simple. So it's the obligation on the students. So many times, like for example, right now, so all cameras are off. I have no idea. You understand? You don't understand. Some classes have all of the cameras on. So I see by look at the face, you look at the eyes. A person, he's dreaming. I don't know about what. So no idea what I'm saying. I mean, there are not such people, but let's say some point. This person does not grasp, right? So you have to voice your questions, okay? Or we go fast or slow. No, slow. No, there's no problem. Too fast sometimes. Even per person, it's not that he's not sharp, but when you go too fast and new information, I mean, for me personally, that I cannot comprehend when it's too fast. So there's some classes. I ask my chavrusa to slow down, and many times I ask him to slow down one on another, because even by his reading, I understand that he does not understand. You understand? So it's very interesting. Okay. So continue. So okay, so he has to require to repetition. Now continue. If the teacher becomes upset with him and displays anger, he should tell him, right, to this student that he does not understand. My teacher, this is Torah. It is necessary that I study, and my powers of comprehension are weak. So I mean, I think all the teachers should melt when they hear that. I'm normal. Of course, there are crazy people who would yell and what are you doing here? Have to go to the first grade, pre-K or something. Okay, of course there is the crazy people, but normally, I mean, it's not the person trying to like drive you crazy. He's trying to understand. He cannot. Okay, so he asking you questions. Megillah 28a relates that Rabbi Yehuda Hanasi gave such a reply to Rabbi Hashua ben Korcha, and after the latter impatiently rebuked him for what seemingly irrelevant question. Okay, I mean, maybe for that rabbi is irrelevant, but for me it's very relevant. Okay, I think the time is up, so we can stop here.